peacefully to us guys. You are young Saturday. They came here on the same police. Without provocation. So we are seeking power. The council instigated them. There's a certain officer. A certain officer instigated them. Now we are taking them down. They said that you must come, if you come and build here, you must build for your own. That is not what the government will subsidize in terms of